your daily dose of knowledge. How is honey made? Honey is made by honey bees through a process called honey production. The process involves several steps. 1. Gathering nectar. Honey bees collect nectar from flowers using their long, tube-like tongues called proboscis. They visit numerous flowers and suck up the sweet nectar. 2. Storing nectar. The bees store the collected nectar in their honey stomach, a separate compartment in their digestive system. This is where the nectar mixes with enzymes that help break down the complex sugars into simpler forms. 3. Regurgitation and evaporation. Once the honey bees return to the hive, they regurgitate the stored nectar into the mouths of other bees. This process is known as trophallaxis. The bees pass the nectar from bee to bee until it becomes partially digested. During this process, the water content of the nectar is reduced through evaporation. 4. Honeycomb storage. The partially digested nectar, now called honey, is then stored in hexagonal wax cells within the honeycomb. Bees create these wax cells by secreting beeswax from special glands on their abdomen. 5. Ripening. The bees fan their wings to further evaporate excess moisture from the honey. This ripening process helps reduce the water content to around 17 to 18%, making the honey less prone to spoilage. 6. Capping. Once the honey is sufficiently ripened, the bees seal the cells with beeswax caps to protect the honey from contaminants and preserve it for future use. 7. Harvesting. Beekeepers can harvest honey by removing the honeycomb frames from the beehive. The honeycomb is then carefully extracted from the frames, and the honey is separated from the wax using various methods like centrifugation or pressing. 8. Filtering and bottling. After extraction, the honey may undergo filtering to remove any remaining impurities, such as beeswax or debris. It is then ready to be bottled and enjoyed. It's important to note that honey production is a natural process carried out by bees, and beekeepers play a crucial role in managing hives and ensuring the well-being of the bees.